Hello my people, good evening my people, how una dey, how your family? My people, I bring good news for una today. So we just received good news. My husband and I will just receive good news today. So we just dey so much happy today. So I say my share am to my people, my share am to my subscribers and my viewers, my families. So my husband, I want to tell our story. How me and my husband take from Italy enter Germany here. First, when we dey Italy, my husband don first put hand for Italy, me never put hand. So as we come dey Italy, me and my husband, before you know it, I take in. As I take in, I come call my husband, come tell am say, as e be like this now, make we go Germany. Say I no like to stay here born my baby. I for like to stay for Germany, we go Germany. I say I no like to stay Italy born my baby. Say we need to go Germany. My husband dey fear. My husband say no, say we no go go. Say no, say better say we stay here. Stay here. Say because na here we first enter. Say what if anything go wrong? How we go do? I say can't no go accept us back. Now I say nothing go go wrong. Say God already sign am. Say na Germany we from born my pikin. Say make we go. My husband come say you sure? I say yes, make we go. Come so okay. Now he come call we come find person wey go help us go. We never to know anybody when go help us. So now I meet one man for our camp for Italy. Now I come dey beg am, come tell am say bro, say since we go enter Germany, but we no know how we go take do am, whether he go fit help us. Now the bros come say okay, say he go help us. So now so the bros now he come tell us say no worry, say if we don reach Milano Central, say go direct us how we go take enter the train. Come so okay. So as we come reach the day, now we come go meet the man. I come tell am say we don dey ready. We come so okay, say we go Milano Central. He come tell us how we go take enter train. The train we go enter, the type of the train. Come so okay. As we reach there, luckily we reach the Milano Central. Now we see one family like that. As we see them, he come say then they accept to go Germany. Now all of us come follow as one family. We come go buy tickets. And so we take enter the journey. As we reach Swiss, whether na Swiss border, we no know the train we go enter to Germany. We dey the border. As we dey the border, police dem dey patrol. We no know which one. We no know whether na right or left we wan follow. We dey there for almost 5 hours. Now we dey there. The patrol partner, we no know where to go. Luckily, one black woman just come out. Come dey ask us whether we get where we dey go. See doctor dey observe us. Whether we get where we dey go. Now we come tell am say yes, we go enter Germany. Say we for enter dey go. We no know. We go say say now the train dey pass. So now every 30 minutes, now the train dey pass now. Now we come tell am say we no know. She come say make we wait for another train. Come so okay. Now so we come dey wait for train. So as we come wait, the train come. Now we come enter train. The husband of the one of us for go dey 2 women, 2 men. So now the boss now he come call him brother, control him brother for Belfast. Say we dey for when they come. Say we dey for when they come. Brother come so okay. Now we go pick us for train station for Dortmund. As we reach Dortmund, he pick us for train station, go inside, take care of us well. We dey well. The man dey nice. Now God will bless that family. The family really help us. They try, you say no be everybody go fit help people like this. The man really try. I carry hand for am. I raise hand for am. The man try, and that's nice person. The man carry us go inside. They give us food. They well. Then the next day, he carry us go train station. Come show us how we take waka am go where they dey put hand. And so we come go reach there. Now we come. Everybody, people full there, black full there. We just stay. They won't attend to us. Now they come ask us some questions. They say we fill file. So we come tell the man say, as me help us fill am. So we no fit fill am, but we fit dey try wetin we go do. Cause okay. Then come so that will be family. Come say yes, say we be family. Come so okay, see advice us no we no clear family. See advice us no we say we be say we no be family. That no no be family. That is no we no bear the same name. No we say that we be family, but no we no bear the same name. Maybe everybody bear im papa name. Come so okay. The thing dey bother my husband say you sure say this thing good, make we no make mistake. I go ask me no worry, say the man maybe God wan use am help us, favour us. He come so okay na so I write my son name, write my own name different. My husband write him name different. Na so we take go. Na the man come say make we no worry, say wish us all the best. It's okay. Na German man I dey tell una so when dey work for there. So they come carry us go another camp, the main camp. As we reach there, you know reach 1 week, 9 later come from back say make we happy. Make we happy. Whether na happy, abi na happy, we no know because we need enter there. So now we come carry go meet people wey dey take us. They come tell us say I say we need lawyer. They give me 2 weeks to do happy. My husband 1 week and me dey 6 months pregnant. So one Benin woman for the camp, very nice woman. God go bless the woman. Now the woman I come follow my husband dey speak on the same Benin. They dey talk. Na the woman come, all of us come follow go find lawyer because the woman too they give her 1 week. So all of us come follow the find lawyer. Now we go do and we come see one lawyer. We reach there na 150 each person na dey demand, and we now no get the money. He said we are 30 we dey pay. The woman got to take 150 give us. No dey to say later go give am for the camp. Person I never know before. Nice woman, God will bless that woman for us. So now we can use the 150. So I go tell my husband, as it be like this, you first use this one so. Because now you now 1 week they give me now 2 weeks. My own still far. No, we can still make you first do your own. So I will go find my own. I will take do my own first. Carry lawyer first. Now the same lawyer you go use, but first carry your own. First happy first. And so we talk. My husband come first. Now he start now they happy for there. The woman too happy doing own too. Only me now you go to that day. So as we come go back to camp, the next day night the woman come say make he give me 150 again. That is to make her 300. She go help me 150 again. Say make I go do my own. So my own case go quick near my husband own. You understand? But they will quick judge our own the same. Now I go say you go do this thing for me. Say yes, he go do it. Say we be one family. That's so this woman so when they tell you so that can't put for one. That's so the woman carry 150 give me. Now so me and my husband, all of us with you follow us carry because she get a big girl. She carry all of us go back to the place again. Come go happy for myself. This person I tell you so I don't know before, no know before. Very nice woman. Now God go bless that woman. Anywhere they God go bless her. And so they go happy for me again. So as they happy for me, go do. Before you know it, I can't born. As I come born, I spent 3 months for it before I born. Because na 6 months but I take home. So as I come born, 1 month now I come spend extra before they come transfer. They come bring later. I pay the woman. We pay the woman the money for the camp. We pay the woman the money because the 30 already pay us. My husband come dey work for camp. Now we take gather the money. Come take pay the woman back. Now very nice woman. That woman now God will bless her anywhere they do. So my people, this one I tell us now wetin happen. Now they tell us so. So now so we come there. Before you know it, our transfer come out. Now our transfer first come out before the woman own. So as our transfer come out, they come carry us come the city of this so. They give us our house. So with this is there no news don't come, no letter. Say court bring letter. This one I tell now so now 2089 this thing they happen. 2089 they happen. Now 2020 we did so. So now they bring a letter inside the September. First in September, now they bring the letter. So this September pass so. Now they bring the letter. My husband letter. We will open a translator. We dey see what they write, but we not to understand how we can go make people they take care of us. As we can't go make people they take care of us, now the woman look and come say they give my husband negative. Now we come tell us me translate and well because why? We translate them, but we see something they don't accept and they don't grant and stay. Me help us translate and well. Now so the woman go through the this thing way again. No. Now you come be say, you know, she don't read and well. Now you come say I say they don't grant my husband stay. Now my husband, now you come tell my husband say congratulations. They don't grant you stay. We surprised. Now me and my husband we no laugh because we won't see first before we go start dey happy. He said they will send a letter. The woman I say they will send my husband a letter. Make come to pay for where they renew his vice. So okay. So that's all they wait to 25th of December September. So now they bring letter say make it complete 25th of September. They bring letter make it complete. All of us go we reach the complete. Now the contract say me they expect in plastic. Say we send letter for her. Make he come collect the plastic. Play my people. That's what they start so. That's so come so okay. Now so we do this one I tell now so. He reach this inside this month November so. Now they send it on 14th of this November. They send letter. We come open her, come the translator. The whether na network dey stop, no. Now we go carry and go give the same that our person when they help us they translate something. She come tell my husband say na normal news information. Say na normal information. Say no be anything. Say na just normal information you go use in document if you don't come out. So now we go so okay. We go carry the paper come keep for house so. As we can't keep for house so 14th now they tell us so. As we go carry keep for house so. Now inside the Wednesday on Tuesday here. Now my husband come call me. Come see this letter. Say don't still translate them. Say if they see something. Say if you dey come you bring your own husband follow body something like that. So you need to call the woman back. Make the woman check this thing well. Now say call the woman back. Come tell the woman say me check that thing well. Say because if they see something if you dey come carry your old work permit come up. Now the woman come so okay. Say you go get back to her. So now you come you know reach 30-40 minutes. Now the woman come call am. Come tell am say make he go to the place. Say in plastic. Say me no vex. Say he no read am well. Say he dey hurry that day. Say make he go the place where they know. Make go try and look. Say the plastic don't come. But me just buy go. Whether they will give am for the other go. Say make he wait till they send later again. Then my husband come say okay. He come my husband ask whether if you go yesterday will be Wednesday. He come say no. Say they want to open Wednesday. Say na make he go today and be Thursday so. So now my husband come say okay. So this morning Thursday. This morning so. Now I tell my husband say okay. You need to go. Make you go collect your document. Say if you send your document they there they wait for you. You come say okay. Now you prepare come go. As he reach there, you know which 1 hour now he come and say they don't give her the document. Now come say they don't give you your plastic. Say now you come if you don't come. Show me the plastic. I say God. I just dey happy my people. I say God, who will be when God will bless us like this? God really do well for our body. God really do well for me and my family body. We know that is many people they hear of this thing from people mouth say they want to give husband documents. Husband and wife, this and they want to give them documents. As single mothers, they give documents. It will be like that. We think God already does it go be. We know they listen to people but we know they think say this one no get, this one no go. No. God go do am. When your own time will come, you go get am. But make you just dey prayerful. Make sure say you dey pray to God. That thing wey you dey find, God go do am for you. Even your heart desire, God go grant you your heart desire. Make you no dey listen to people talk because when we come, I remember when we come down at 18, so I turn and so. People talk. If you see different people, they tell us story how this side be. They want to give document. They did 5 years. They did 10 years. They do this one. They give documents. Now this one. They pursue this one. They give this one. Do. My dear, we don't see that kind of thing. We don't even listen to their talk because only our own we know. I don't know about people own. Only your mind you know about people mind. That time they tell us, hey, husband and wife, they can't husband and wife, no good for you. They maltreat them, they suffer them, they give my husband a document to. Now woman they give document to. We no put mind. We go just say, okay, no problem here. But inside our mind, we know say God will do for us. Not when God no fit do. We get the faith say God go do, na him make God still do am for us. When you get faith, believe in yourself, believe in God. Know say God will do this thing for you. No matter it way they talk, they tell you, no listen to people advice. Because people they deceive people. People they frustrate. They will come carry their frustration, put for your body. They will want me frustrate like them. So what they you know how they listen to people talk or people advice. Anybody when tell you say you know they give man documents na they suffer. Now lie, my brothers and sisters, now lie. Now God now they give documents. Now God will decide everybody fate. Now God will know what you go become tomorrow. Now God will know what you will be or go become. So people know they listen to people talk, people advice. I will say, person will tell this one, my dear, only yourself now you know not have a person mind. Only your mind now you know don't know about person mind. When you stick to God, have faith. Anything they do, put God first. Believe in God. May you know they go follow people mouth. Because our black for here, they know how to deceive people. They know how to lead people to distraction. They know how to deceive people. They know how to frustrate people. They will frustrate, they will won't put person. Make person join them for frustrate their frustration. So this is why I tell na so my people. Now God, now he get life. Now God, now he creates us. Now God, now he know what we will be tomorrow. As far as say God don't carry us from that sea, come. God will still finish everything he starts. He will finish am for our life. Many all of us follow gather enter this journey. So many of them no make am. They die for road. Some die for sea. Some die for desert. But we dey alive. That one no reach us. E no reach us to appreciate God. E no reach us to give God all the thanks because He deserve am. Na He create us. Na Him make us be dey alive today. Na Him be everything wey we dey today. Anything we dey get today, anything we be today, na God. Na Him go make us put God first for anything we dey do. Without God, we be nothing. We no go be anything. My brothers and sisters, this one I tell una so. Una dey put una faith in God. Una believe in God. Una trust God. Una know say God go do anything una dey find. God go do am for una. Una no dey listen to people advice. Una no dey listen to our black talk. Black talk no good. They go deceive you. Now they go put fire for your mind. Now they go frustrate your life if you give them time. If you give them chance, they go use you and dump you. Our black, they know how to use person and dump the person. Now they go deceive you, frustrate your life. Now they go still dump you. So what I tell now so my people say God don't do it for me and my family. Because if to say that time when they listen to people advice, people talk, we no know where we go date it today. Because that time people talk from here to here. Then they tell us say people they here they know they give document to say some they stay 10 years, 20 years, say they carry them go, but now they give document. That time me and my husband will get faith. We know say God go do and we no dey listen to their talk. Now make we dey where we dey today. We no dey listen to their talk. Now make we dey where we dey today. So my brothers and sisters, muna put faith in God. Muna put God first. In anything una dey do, muna believe in God. Muna know say God go do am. God no dey sleep. God dey watch everybody movement. God dey watch everything person dey do for this life. Now God na him be our life. Now God na him give us life. Now him make us dey breathe. As we dey breathe to that side, they talk to you so. Now God na him go dey first before any other thing. See am now, if to say now, say we dey tired now, we no know our faith. That time my husband dey tell me say no, we no go go. But I tell am say no worry dear, we must go. God go do am for us. But see am now, God don do am for us. I dey happy say na my husband this document come from first. You understand? So my people, una no vex. Na call just enter my phone. I make so as I dey talk, my people, no we get faith. God go do am for us. God when do am for others, go do am for una. Yeah? Una no worry. Una just get patience with God. Una make sure so una get the faith. Una trust God. No say go do am for una. Una no dey listen to people advice. Una no dey listen to wetin people dey talk. Una get faith on una own. No be every person talk una go carry for mind. Because if to say now, say we dey listen to people advice, we for no know where we dey by now. And if to say we dey Italy now, we for no know now our faith now. You see as God just dey do am now, we comot for Italy come here so. So I thank God. I so much thank God for today. I thank God. I just dey get joy. Say God don't do am. God don't bless me and my husband. Bless us. At least one person don't get document now. Now something be to us. So my people, I dey see am. So my people, now see bio. Una follow me thank God oh. Una thank God. God really do well for our body oh. My show now my husband document oh. My show now wetin God do for us oh. Wetin God do for our body oh. Una see oh. Una see God. Make no be say na I just dey talk for mouth. So I wan just show una. Una know say na truth I dey talk. I no dey lie. Say na truth now I dey talk. Now this morning so. On 14th, na him dey send am later make e come pick am, but we no know, we no quick know. So na today now maybe 20 something, na him just go collect am so. Na see am, na see my husband document. God don do am for us so. We just dey get joy, we just dey happy because na God, na him just make e be like this so. I thank God for our life, thank God for everything. I thank God, I so much thank God. I so much thank God oh, my people, una follow me thank God because today I just get overjoyed. And na wetin make me dey happy be say na my husband na him first get. At least that one day na him go come give us. Na him make me just dey get joy because people dey talk say if family a woman first get say e dey hard the husband, all those things. But God know why e be like this. So God now don bless us now. So as God went do am for us, God go do am for una. God went do am for us, go do am for una. So as I dey now, I dey happy, I dey get joy for wetin He do for our body. I dey get joy for wetin He do for our. So my husband now wan still tell una, una thank God for am. Una thank God for am too. Una thank God. So God really do well for our body. Oh, e no easy. God really do well for our body. God really do well for our body. You know easy. So you want use the man sit down now. Wetin God do for am. Maybe no say only me talk.
My people, una do well, eh? May God bless una. Like how my wife they tell una since na truth oh. God really do wonderful things for our life. It no easy, eh? This Deutschland will day so, eh? It take the grace of God. Now the grace of God. Who will be when God will bless us with document this year? Now who will be? Now who will be now? At least I beg Mona follow us, thank God.
Yes,
It don't show now the document. This one not be say now by say. Not be by say be this one. And she did tell una since he got to present the document Mona see him. You understand? So people they talk, they only show the document. So people they think maybe not lie. But this one now is show now. Now today now go collect them. You understand? So she don't already tell now how the story take start. How we take begin the story they come. It already tell now. So I beg Mona follow us, thank God. Who will be when God will bless us. I know say as middle of a get so very soon their own will come. That one I'm sure. Their own will come. Now. It will show. You understand? So I beg Mona follow us, thank God. It's not easy. At least go follow us, start the journey.
Yes, sir.
And I cause they follow us.
Finish am.
They finish am so. Una here so it's not easy because when we start this journey, I not loud now. Fear in my mind. But today come now happiness can be the end.
Yes, sir.
We thank God so much. I beg Mona follow us, praise God. Mona follow us, thank God. God will do it for us. Because He do it for now.
Yes, sir.
Everything are patient. Patient matters a lot. You understand? So we know the many stories when we hear, when we enter here. Not be small. When we carry our mind, they go up. It's not easy. But with God all the way, we conquer everything.
Yes, sir.
This one is my luck. See my luck. We bring the document concern. This and this one I bring her come. So you understand? When this one show, like the document show, you understand? So my people, I been wanna follow us. Thank God. It's not easy, eh? It's not easy for this Deutschland. Once mama and pikin get document here. If they had the man who I not lie you, people they here 7 years old, their wife and children don't get. But for the man, they use the man up and down. But God know all these things. No one make we suffer. Now make a fabric and come from the head. You understand? So as it come from the head, so very soon now, it will complete everybody. Very, very soon. My family go come now. Una do well. God will bless una. I beg una still follow us, thank God. Now thank you, bye bye you.
So my brothers and sisters, now here from my husband now be. So muna know say na truth I dey talk, don't still tell na someone if he talk. So muna help us thank God for wetin he do for us. Muna also pray for us, make our own documents still come out for us. Because I believe say as my husband won't come out, our own will still come out follow.
That one
so
sure be that.
God will do am, everything will do okay. The same God will do am for us, go still do am for now.
Amen.
As for my subscribers and my viewers, I thank una so much. Una dey try, no easy. Una really dey try for me. I be new member in YouTube. So I be new person. So I dey learn. I never know where. I never sabi them finish. So if una still see the ones where I did mistake, I did mistake, do bad, maybe I did wrong.
Yes, sir.
Una still help me. Now it make we be one family. So anyone I do, wanna say I no do well, una feel still help me. Una dey assist una sister, una fellow sister. Because I know say this YouTube of it, no easy. Una still assist me for some way when you say una know say I dey wrong, I dey do bad. Una still dey help me. Because na small until they start for something. I know we just learn everything once, finish like that. So na small. Now do well for us. Now do well as una listen to this my video. Now do well my subscribers. Now do well my viewers. Now do well my families, my ladies. I greet una. My group people, I greet una so much. Una do, I really appreciate una. Una do, una that is una be good people. God will bless una. God will bless una. God will grant una all una heart desire. Una do well. Thank you very much. Please, Muna subscribe to my YouTube channel. Muna make and they grow. Muna they help my sister. Muna help me as una help me. God will help una. God will bless una. God will guide and protect una for me. Which una they found, I will say for this life. All anything they need, God will grant them for una. Muna help me subscribe, like and comment, please, and also watch. I beg, watch before you subscribe for me. Watch, I beg. Try to watch before you subscribe for me, because if you no watch her, you no go well. But if you just subscribe when you no watch her, you no go well now. But if you watch her before you subscribe, you go well. I beg, una try, even if na small, they watch, they subscribe, no problem. I appreciate. God bless you. Thank you very much, my people. Now do well. Muna stay safe. Muna stay safe. Muna greet na family. Muna also get patient. God go do am for now. Una heart desire. God go do am for now. Wetin una dey found, I go see am. Una document those when no get, God will do am for una. Muna get patience as una listen to my story. So muna still from inside learn, know how to get patient, have faith. Muna no depend, muna no listen to people advice, muna no listen to the people talk, because people talk no good. Especially our black, they can proud of themselves. So muna avoid our black when they don't stay for years before una come. Muna avoid them because they know me well for you. So muna dey safe, muna dey careful. Una dey careful with people una mingle with. No be up everybody when for una laugh na una good person. No everybody wanna for laugh na good person to una. Muna avoid evil friends. Muna avoid bad friends. Muna make sure say una dey pray to God. Each one dey do, muna put God first. God will do am for una. He go grant una all una heart desire. Wetin una dey found, una go see am this for this 2020. God will provide on our needs. God will guide and protect your family and my children. Muna stay safe. God will bless una. Thank you guys. Bye. See you guys in my next video and stay safe.